My name is Ann Messer.
And I'm Bill Messer.
And in September of 1984, we had our second son was born with what they thought was a spinal muscular atrophy called Werdnig-Hoffmann disease. And he died in February of 1985. And since then, there's been a study going on to try to find out what it was that caused our son's death and illness.
You know, it's there's a scripture that says all things work together for good for those who trust the Lord, and this is a terrible tragedy that Ann's family has experienced. But from the experience of Ann and her first cousins and her mother and aunts, they have been able to identify this genetic flaw and narrow it down to the point that they know it is X-linked rather than being recessive, and they are able to now identify the specific location on the chromosome. And so it's a great breakthrough, and it's a great blessing for Ann's family, for us to be able to know whether or not you're a carrier or not, what your probabilities are of having children with this disease. But it's a great blessing for all the families of the world, because there's, with this breakthrough, the hope that you can in vitro correct these genetic flaws and have healthy babies.
And also we found that this gene that they discovered at the University of Miami Medical School, that they really believe it's very close to the gene that causes Parkinson's disease.
Which of course is not nearly as rare as this.
Right. So we're really excited about that, because we both have friends and close friends and family who've had Parkinson's, and so we're just really interested in making sure. We are really excited about having the confirmation that our family, because of the high incidence of these babies being born and these babies dying, that they confirmed that it had to be an X-linked gene, and they have worked for 23 years to discover that this is exactly what it is. It's a whole new name of a disease because it's never been attributed to an X-link. And we can look back and we can see the devastation in our family, but we can also see a promise of hope for the future and what this can do for other families, for diagnosis, and like Bill said, ultimately treatment and maybe prevention, and then leading to discovery of other genes and that can help many other families. So we're just so happy that we were able to be all band together. The family banded together. We gave our blood. We gave them genealogical charts, and through that they've been able to discover this gene, and it's so exciting, and we really look forward to a promising future for this genetic research.